white sauce pasta. For this, I have already ordered pasta from Amazon. So I mentioned the link below in my description. You can check that out. So let's get started.
On medium flame, keep a non-stick pan. After that, I'll be putting butter inside my pan. Wait till our butter melts. We are making white sauce which can be used in many other dishes. It's time to add our maida. Make sure that there are no lumps in our sauce. The ratio of the maida and butter goes like this. Maida should be less than butter. Make it more buttery. It should actually look like a ghee now. Make sure your sauce is not sticking anywhere. Please move your sauce in circular motions. I am putting more maida. Making sauce is actually easy if you are doing it from your heart. Roasting the maida is done. You see how our sauce is bubbling up now. That's when you actually have to add our milk. Milk should be added into batches. You might be thinking it's not less than wasting our time in adding milk in batches. Adding milk altogether will only give you lumps. I know you might be tired of adding things slowly, but be patient. Now our sauce is looking somewhat like kalakal. I am adding more milk to make it extra creamy. The only special ingredient in any recipe you make is love and smile. After some time, it will start looking like condensed milk. That's when I'll be adding my oregano and chili flakes. I don't recommend adding chili flakes so much if you are making it for your kids. It's actually a good arm workout. Adding more milk because the sauce is thick enough because of chili flakes and oregano. Mix, mix, mix. See how creamy it looks. We are adding cheese now. Add as much of cheese as you want because no one is literally looking at you. So I'll be adding more cheese, make it more cheesy. Let all the cheese incorporate well in the pasta. I can actually work out every day for this. Adding cheese totally depends on you. After adding cheese, check your sauce again. As always, I am half prepared. I forgot to cut my capsicum. You can use any vegetable you want, like broccoli or the colored capsicum. I am adding capsicum and pasta now. After adding pasta, don't move it harshly. Be gentle and slow. See how good the pasta looks? Perfect and creamy. I am plating my pasta in a simple dish. If you want to go over the top, you can always use those fancy pasta plates. But I don't think so in this I don't think so in this lockdown we'll go and buy plates. Just use any plate, make it simple or make it fancy. It's all totally up to you. And I'll be adding more chili flakes and oregano and some extra cheese. It's ready now. Hope you like this video and I will meet you next time with one more amazing dish. Till then, bye bye.